Hello friends, my name is Ashley Rosenberg. I've been volunteering at Cook Library for about 2 years now, of the 3 that I've attended Towson. I started volunteering the beginning of my sophomore year because I strongly believe that giving back to the community is very important, especially getting started at such a young age. I spent a lot of time in the library doing homework, and since I spent a lot of time there, I should volunteer my time and give back to them as they have given to me. Working at the book sale this year was very fulfilling to me because not only do I like volunteering my time, but it was great to be able to interact with people who love reading just as much as I do, as well as helping the library raise some money so that it can better its facility. And in addition to all of that, all of the extra books went towards helping underprivileged children in third world countries receive an education, and I'm so proud to have been a part of that.